Yes, everyone, and today we will look at English memes about the Queen of England. Let's go. When you're 93 and freaking immortal, but your son 71 tests positive for coronavirus. Shame!
Shame on you!
Shame! Shame on you. Year 4000, the only still living organism is Queen Elizabeth. Breaking news. Woman gives speech about poverty in front of golden piano. But this isn't funny. This isn't funny. Why am I laughing? It's not funny. I don't get it. It's not funny. Oh, is it because she's talking about poverty while being in front of a piano made out of gold? So it's like dumb?
Shame on you!
Queen Elizabeth II watching the meat kill all the dinosaurs. Well, what is this? Why are they immortalizing the Queen so much? I mean, she's old, but she's not the first person to be 96. Queen Elizabeth II in the Stone Age. You know, I would say that looks like her. Indeed it does. Queen Elizabeth in the present day. I see no difference. She has not aged one bit. 101-year-old man who survived Spanish flu and World War II now beats coronavirus too. Finally, a worthy opponent, a worthy adversary, whose battle shall be legendary. But why is her face like that though? Who took this picture? I don't have pink underwear. I have... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Shame!
The Pope, I am 85, I must retire. Queen Elizabeth. That's cute.
I'm the Queen, born in 1926, Elizabeth.
Let the Hunger Games begin. You know, she honestly looks hungry here. She honestly looks hungry. Normal people. It's impossible to live forever. The Queen of England. Darling, you have no idea what's possible. Britain. Long live the Queen. The Queen. And I took that personally. She did. Oh, Thanos. I am invincible. Oh, sorry. I am inevitable. The Queen. And I am immortal. Oh, wow. That's funny. Queen Elizabeth II watching the Big Bang explosion. So that's what's happening. Oh, no. This is funny in a sense, but it's not fun because it's sad. Quick. Time to reclaim the colonies.
It's a meme.
It's a joke.
Hot girl summer. Is that a queen or is this photoshopped? Wait, so Queen Elizabeth is single now? If that's the queen at her age, girl, you doing fine for yourself. Which will last longer, Eminem's rap career or the Queen of England? Is that really a question? The colonies are quite rowdy tonight. Alright, so I think I'll stop here. Honestly, there are so many memes about the Queen and I absolutely find them funny. To anyone who might be offended,
It's a meme.
it's humor. Don't be offended. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching this video, if you'd like to see more of me, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
I'm the Queen of the Brits, born in 1926, Elizabeth. Elizabeth Windsor.